The federal government has reaffirmed its promise to stop the transmission of wild polio virus through improved routine immunization coverage and accelerated control of vaccine-preventable diseases. Making the pledge at a national polio stakeholders consultative meeting, the Minister of State for Health, Dr. Mohammed Ali Pate, says the federal government has increased funding for the eradication of polio from $17 million to $30 million. He appealed for sustained efforts by political and traditional leaders to ensure that polio is eradicated within the shortest possible time.
Nigeria may have witnessed a drastic reduction in polio cases as the country achieved 95% reduction in 2010. But a resurgence of the virus in 2011 has been described as worrisome by the Minister of State for Health, Dr. Mohammed Ali Pate. The minister told the gathering in Abuja that the federal government is determined to eradicate polio within the shortest possible time.
The success we achieved is not only in reducing the wild polio virus, but is in fact in reaching demonstrably more children in the course of our campaigns, improving our routine immunization, essentially doubling the full immunization coverage from what it was a few years before.
The country representative of the World Health Organization, Dr. David Okello, restated the commitment of the world body to work with Nigeria in eradicating polio.
I wish to reaffirm the full commitment of WHO and all partners to providing additional technical, material, logistical, and also facilitating financial support to complement what the government is putting in place. This is our call. We are with you. We are together in this call, and we must succeed.
The Executive Secretary of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Ado Mohammed, advised participants at the meeting to redouble their efforts in the fight against polio and all vaccine-preventable diseases.
In 2010, we achieved 95% reduction in the number of polio cases when compared to cases recorded in 2009. The progress suffered a setback in 2011 with more than 100% increase in the number of recorded cases. What it means is that we just have to redouble our efforts and see how, as a country, we'll improve our performance in terms of breaking transmission and also improving routine immunization.
The meeting is aimed at reviewing and achieving a consensus on monitoring and evaluation of programs targeted at eradicating polio in Nigeria.